Hello guys, I'm gonna show how to replace the driver belt first. Rotate belt tensioner counterclockwise and remove alternator driver belt. After removal driver belt, we can remove air conditioning belt next, but space is between crank pulley and alternator pulley tensioner is so narrow, not enough space. So I usually take out this driver belt tensioner. Rotate ace compressor belt tensioner clockwise using 3A scale extension. Put aside ace belt. Ace belt doesn't come out because ace tensioner inside located, so you guys need to remove whole assembly, belt tensioner and belt together like this. After all the belt out, you guys put the new ace belt into the belt tensioner, because first install the tensioner, it doesn't come in belt, so inside the belt and then put together, install the tensioner to the engine. Ace belt tensioner, it has dowel pin like this, and then you guys align this dowel pin to the engine front cover and then tighten bolt 18 foot-pound. After torque down ace tensioner, you can route ace belt, ace compressor, and crank pulley. And then you guys are using the 3A extension, extension, not a socket extension, and then clockwise release the tensioner and attach the belt to upside idler pulley. Once you install ace belt, now install drive belt tensioner. It has also dowel pin, and then align the dowel pin onto the front cover, and then tighten the tensioner bolt with a 13 millimeters bolt. This torque is 35 foot-pound. Once install alternator tensioner, you guys torque down the 35 foot-pound alternator tensioner, and then installation tensioner, route, driver belt, water pump, crank pulley, and alternator, and release tensioner, and then you attach the belt onto the tensioner. But other way, first put on the belt, crank shaft pulley and alternator and tensioner first like this. And I usually do the like this, and then release driver belt tensioner and counterclockwise rotate the tensioner at 15 millimeter, and then hook up the water pump last one. Whatever you up to, it doesn't matter. And then make sure all of the belt on the groove. Thank you for watching.